Some aspects of life in Germany changed immediately upon the outbreak of war on September 1, 1939. Others changed more slowly. Germany did not fully mobilize at first. In fact, it was not until 1943 that Germany focused its economy on war production. Nazi policy was not to burden the people on the home front because they feared domestic unrest, something the Nazis believed had led to Germany's capitulation in 1918. A couple with their car in National Socialist Germany during World War II. A day at the beach in Germany during World War II. A family having fun at the beach in Germany during World War II. A German boy enjoying a day with his model sailboat, circa World War II. A German couple taking a selfie, circa World War II. A German family enjoying Christmas during World War II. A German mother and her children have fun at the beach, circa World War II. A German reading a copy of the Völkischer Beobachter during World War II. A German woman sunning herself while reading a copy of the NSDAP newspaper, the Völkischer Beobachter, circa World War II. A loving couple in Germany during World War II. A man enjoying a ride on his BMW motorcycle in Germany during World War II. A mother and daughter enjoying a day at the beach in Zinnowitz, Germany during World War II. A parade in Germany during World War II. A wide-eyed German boy enjoying his Christmas gifts, circa World War II. An improvised dog sleigh in Germany during World War II. Children playing in Germany during World War II. Enjoying the beach in Germany during World War II. Erntedankfest, Harvest Festival, in Germany during World War II. Family fun at the beach in Germany during World War II. German women having a bit of fun for the camera during World War II. German youth having fun circa World War II. Germany during World War II. Having a fun day in the snow in Germany during World War II. Ladies in the RADWJ having a bit of fun Germany circa World War II. Members of the German Luftwaffe showing off cycling acrobatic skills circa World War II. Mother and son enjoy time together at the beach in Zinnowitz, Germany during World War II. Newlywed couple with their natural gas or coal gas operated car, Dusseldorf, Germany during World War II. Rub-a-dub-dub, 5 Kinder in a tub in Germany during World War II. Sisters on a bike in Germany during World War II. Summer at the beach in Germany circa World War II. Summertime in Zinnowitz, Germany during World War II. Summertime in Zinnowitz, Germany during World War II.